Here is Fedya. He's almost 6 months old. Important thing that I want to mention is that we want to see that the child can use his feet against the hard surface. This is the way that they will start to crawl. They will push with the foot up. Try to let the child be as much as possible without socks, without long pants, so he will feel the surface and start to use his feet. We can see that Fedya is a little bit in this, we call it airplane positions. The legs are a little bit up and the hands are to the sides. It means the back muscles are a little bit shorter than the front muscles. If we want to improve it and to help him to be more balanced, we need to work with him while he's on his back. Let's go back. We need to concentrate on the exercises that I showed before, like the diagonals and this, up, and huggings. He's a little bit stiff and a lot of babies are stiff. Some babies are too loose, some babies are a little bit stiff. We have all the scale. And we need to help our babies to feel better in their bodies and to make their body more organized so they will feel comfortable and relaxed. And look how he's listening to the tapping. Tapping is very relaxing. Another way to develop the use of the feet, let's go again on the back, up, is to bring his 2 feet here, up, very close to the butt. A little bit uncomfortable, so I want to see him moving his pelvis back. What? Up. You can move back if it's uncomfortable. We want to see that whenever we put the legs here next to the butt, he will use his pelvis to push himself away because it's not so comfortable for him. He might not do it on the first time or on the second time. We keep practice and eventually he will do it. Yes. We want at the beginning even to feel a small movement in the pelvis. Look, if the child is complaining, it doesn't mean that we need to give up. And the last thing that we can do to start using the feet is to put his feet on our chest and waiting for him to press and to push our chest. Also, I would recommend to put him on the leg with his hands in front, even lower something. In this way, he starts to use his feet. Yeah, and we even can go a little bit higher, so he will feel his hands. Thank you. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everybody.
I hope you enjoyed the video with Regina, and if so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share with your friends.